Yo, how you doing, people? How you doing? It's been a minute. So in this video, I want to show you how I produced it, how I made an instrumental for Platinum Prince recent release track titled Matadza. Matadza. So I want to show you how I made the beat for him. So he came to the studio with an idea already, so it was easy for me to make that beat because he just sang the chorus for me. So it was very easy for me to make a beat for him. So this is the project of that beat. So this is the project of the beat. Let me start by showing you this. So this sound is from Poly6. If you are Poly6, it's a plugin. It's an external plugin actually, but it's from Cog, right? So this actually and yeah, Synthesoft. Then this instrument is called VCF something something. The name is long there, but that's the plugin that I use to come out with this sound. So in terms of bass, I used this. It's a stock plugin, this FM sub. Yeah, this is a stock plugin from FL Studio. So if you need it, if you don't know about it, you can find it here. I want to show you where you can find it. Yeah, Fruity DX10. That's where you can find that FM sub bass. There it is. That's the bass that I used. And then what else do we have here? So there's a lot of stock plugins here. Even this one, it's a stock plugin. It's this one. This one. This one is also a stock plugin. It's a guitar. It's a jazz guitar. So let me show you where you can find it. You can find it here. Where are we now? Pecs, instruments, then guitar. It's a jazz guitar. This one. It's a stock plugin. Of course, I added some effects after. There's this one from Purity. I'm sure most of producers you are familiar with Purity. So I used this karimba. Yeah. those, it's a brass from Purity as well. And this close grained piano, it's a stock plugin as well. You can still find it here under instrument picks. Where are we? Picks, instruments, keyboard, close grained. This is the one that I use there. So that's it for now. If you have good questions, you can ask. I'll be around replying to each and everyone.